This is the video quick start guide for Dr. Ho's circulation promoter. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get the circulation promoter unboxed and home is you're going to want to install two AAA alkaline batteries in the back of the system. Now these are not included, but most of us do have these at home in a drawer somewhere. So again, two AAA alkaline batteries in the back, and that is all you need to get your pain therapy system controller up and running. So for the circulation promoter, there are two different ways that you can use the system. The first is using the base plate. The second is with some wires and pads. So let's show you the first one, which is the base plate. Now the wire to connect the base plate to the controller is actually already plugged in to the system. So you're going to basically just attach it right here. Then you're going to sit down in a chair, feet flat on the floor, and you're going to have the circulation promoter on a flat surface. You're going to then spray it with tap water. This water bottle is included in the kit. You just fill it with regular tap water. And you're going to spray the foot base 7 to 10 times. And you're going to want to make sure it's really wet so that you get a good connection between your feet and the base plate. You're going to sit down. You're going to place your feet on the pads. And then you are going to slowly turn on the circulation promoter. Now, if you are not used to the sensation of TENS, EMS, and NMAS yet, please go slowly. We recommend starting at a 1.5 or 2, and you can actually control the intensity using this dial, where my thumb is right here. From there, you can then select the mode, A, B, or C. It's your personal preference, and the timer, 10, 20, or 40 minutes. From there, you can just sit back in your chair and enjoy a wonderful treatment. Now, if you did want to use the pads, you absolutely can. We have included both regular and large pads for you to attach anywhere on your body that you need treatment. You're going to detach the base plate from the controller, and then you're going to take the included wire here and plug it into the controller again. Now, these wires connect to two pads. It's important to remember that whenever you're treating a body part, referencing the included pad placement chart, you're always going to want to use two pads. Now, when you're using these pads, again, spray them with the water that is included in the bottle. So you've got right here, you're just going to peel them off like that, 1 and 2, and you're going to spray them with the water bottle. So we'll spray again 7 to 10 times each. Okay, then you're going to want to put them on the affected area. I'll show you here. I'm just going to put them right on my arm. There we go. And from there, you're going to slowly turn on the system. Again, you can select mode A, B, or C, and you want to ensure that you're going low and slow when you're starting out. You can pick 10, 20, or 40 minutes, and that is how you're able to get a nice treatment. Again, make sure the pads are on there nice and tight. There we go. When you're done with your treatment, it's important to place the pads back onto the plastic sheet that was included so that you get the most longevity out of the life of your pads. So simply remove them, put a spritz of water on them, and then place them back on the included sheet. And that way you can ensure that your pads will last for the longest time for your use before you need to replace them. And you can store them like this. And that is all you need to know for the quick start guide of the Dr. Ho's circulation promoter.